To get started with the Gmgn Telegram bot, you'll need to have a Gmgn account. Once you've signed up, you can access the bot by going to the Gmgn website and clicking on the bot option at the bottom right corner. From there, click on the Gmgn login bot and then select Join, which will open up the Telegram website. You'll be asked to either start the bot or open it in the web version. Choose the option that suits you best. Once you've opened the bot, you'll see a menu where you can start by clicking on the Start option. This will prompt you to log into the website, and a link will be provided for you to do so. After logging in, you'll be connected to your account and can begin using the Telegram bot. The bot features various options, including a sniper bot, backup bot, and featured signals for Solana and other tokens. You can also access pump alerts, trends, LP burns, new LP, track SM alerts, and check your PNL. By clicking around and exploring the different bots, you can achieve your desired outcomes with the Gmgn Telegram bot. It's a straightforward process, and the bot will guide you through the various options and features. With the Gmgn Telegram bot, you can do a wide range of things, from using the sniper bot to accessing featured signals, and it can be a useful tool to have.